Hello everyone, this is Miguel from Nazgul Renegade. I'm working on installing a new set of door sill covers to protect the doors. So when I'm doing off-road, I tend to step on my door sill a lot, so that has created a lot of issues, scratches and pain, scuffs and all that kind of stuff. So I did some research and found a few different things. We had plastic covers, we had chrome covers. I don't like chrome, so I completely discarded those. And then I run into a set of like rubber adhesive covers that look like a bed liner, sort of like sticker. So let me show you what the door seal looks like right now. So this is my driver's side door seal cover. So the door is in pretty bad shape. It's scratched, and I dented it with a tool the other day, so but no big deal. So I'm gonna put something there to cover it. That's the only door that I have issues with. This one is in good shape. So I am still going to install a full set, so that will cover 4 doors. This is the full set. So these 2 sections go on the front. One is for the driver's side and the passenger side, and this it's like a 3 set per rear door. Okay, so those 3, 1 2 3 will cover 1 door, and then the other 3. These are the instructions. So as you can see, the rear door has 3 pieces, and then the front door is only 1. I wish the front door was a little longer, but should cover most of the thing where I tend to step on. This is where I got them from, I think. So I'll put a link in the description so you guys can follow it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and install them, and then I'll let you know what I think, and hopefully they will stay there for a while. So basically what we're gonna be doing is cleaning up this area, which I already did, and then we're gonna peel off the adhesive layer the white layer to uncover the adhesive, and then basically apply it. I think you can just pretty much, it doesn't really tell you exactly where to put them, so you just gotta figure out the best way. So you're gonna stick it down and then fold it down here, you can see that, and then just glue it down. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out, so hopefully we don't have a major headache. But yeah, it's definitely like this. You can see that little cut here, this crevice here. I don't know if it's supposed to align with that one there. Honestly, I mean, I got damages. You can see the scratches here are a little bit out of the way. So I might cover that and leave that front like that, because that one looks like I don't tend to step over there too much. So I'll probably just do it right there. So I'm gonna peel that vinyl and then push it down. So put pressure on it, and hopefully that will stay there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this quick and easy. So you can see I just peeled off that. I'm gonna try to hold the phone on and do it at the same time, so wish me luck, okay? Okay, feels pretty tight. Feels pretty good. So, oh yeah, it is going pretty good. You can see I'm trying to put pressure over it so there's no air gap anywhere. That's the dent there, but it feels pretty good there. hopefully it does stick there and doesn't come off. It feels pretty solid though. I do like it how it feels. It feels there, you know. Looks good to me. Oh, it's nice. So it's kind of hard to record with with one hand and then do the other job with the other hand, you know. But I think it turned out pretty good. I was actually holding the phone with between my chin and my throat, but I think it turned out pretty good. So all right, I'm gonna do the next. I'm gonna do exactly the same thing, and then on the other passenger side, so you guys have an idea what it is already. And then I will do one of the rear doors so you can see what it looks like at the end. Okay guys, so this one is a little bit trickier because the pieces, I don't know if they were meant to be for a specific year Renegade, if something changed. So based on what I noticed is a third piece, which is that one right there, will not fit perfectly with everything else. So I'm mostly concerned about stepping on it and covering that section right here. Okay, so I am going to do those two first, and then I might have to trim that one and put it on to cover, but I might not do that. Depends on how I feel after I get these two parts on. I think that's all the coverage you really need. So I'm gonna attempt to do that, and then I will get back with you. Yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do this and then see how it looks, those two pieces first. Okay, so we got this part in. I really like how this thing adheres to the surface. It's really good. It just gets on it really good. It's hard, you can tell it's pretty hard. You have to apply strength so you can get this thing really good on. I mean, it falls down, it bends down pretty good. It does that really good, but you got to make sure that you get it anywhere. I mean, everywhere. Otherwise, he starts pulling back out. Yeah, if you don't pay attention, some parts will start pulling off or coming off. So you have to make sure that you get it all really good. See this? It's right on it, so it's not like I did it. You know, you can see it's not perfectly cut. I don't think it's perfectly cut. If I bring it out here, then the other triangle will not fit. So I was trying to make sure that I covered this section better. You can see this is gonna be a better coverage, even though it's not perfect, because I cannot get a good angle on this section. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it looks after I put the second one. I might just cut it with the blade here and trim it, and that should be it. But it's in there, so that's the important thing. It's in there, and it's solid. I mean, it's just hard to do it with one hand and the other one. And you can peel it off a little bit if you need to reapply it. It's not like you can't do that. I don't know if you know. And they give you a tool to use, but you know, this little thing, but I don't think it works here. You know, it might work here, but not in the corners. I don't see that in the corners working properly. And it's there, so it is there. You can see it's pretty good. It's pretty good in there. So like I say, I'm just gonna come back with a knife and trim it right here. All right, let's see how the other one works. Okay, I decided to just do two parts. I don't want to do the third one. It doesn't match perfect, so I don't like how it will look. Let me show you. So even trying to cut it, it will not match. And even if you bring it out to center with it, you can see how it overlaps over each other, and I'm not sure I want that overlapping. It just wouldn't look good, I think, in my own opinion. So my main concern is here. This is my main concern, where, and you can tell, you know, they don't perfectly match, but that'll be okay, because I'm mostly scared about, you know, scratching it. That's my only concern, just a step in here. So, and this side, like I said, it was in good shape, other than a couple things here and there, but nothing major. So I'm gonna leave it like that. Let me give some shadow so you can see it comes up all the way here. But I think it looks pretty good though. So I'm going to finish both sides and then be done with it, and then we'll do we'll see how long it will stay there and how long it's gonna protect the Jeep from, you know, today on. Well guys, there you have it. This is the final product. This is the front passenger side door sill. I think it looks really good. And the rear one, I had to cut a little piece just to cover this section here, and see a little gap here, but I think it'll be fine. It feels really good in there, so I don't think it's gonna come off, hopefully, for a while. It was about $20-some for the set. I think it looks good. I mean, like I said, I had to cut a little piece here, but it's just for protection, so we don't scratch it. You can see it comes all the way up here. Yeah, this is the driver rear door, and I think it looks really good. Like I said, I had to cover another piece right here, but I think it'll be fine. I'm happy with the end. I really like the front. The driver side and front passenger side are awesome. So let me know what you think, guys. I'll put a link in the description where I got them from, and I hope you enjoy it. If you got any comments, just leave them down in the video. I'll see you later next time. Bye bye.